For the repair of the PCB card for light signal column for electric horn by Hyo Myung, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 220V AC power supply, a 24V DC power supply and a simulator. By turning on the power supply the unit reacts and we can hear the alarm sound from the simulator. We can also that the 24V DC lamps light up. The same process is repeated and for the second control unit. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units.
The same process is repeated for the second control unit.
It is now clear that the PCB card for light signal column for electric horn by Hyo Myung are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.